Now, if you just recently purchased the TCL IONv and you don't know how to remove the back and the battery, also you don't know how you insert the SIM card or replace your other SIM card from your old phone to the new phone. In addition to this, also I'm going to show you how you insert the SD card. Then you need to watch this video because we're going to explain all of this step by step. Make sure to subscribe to Variety Stick 2 if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up and let's find out. Now first, if you just want to replace the SIM card or insert the SIM card and the SD card, I would highly recommend to turn the phone off completely. Now if you wanted me to show you how to remove the battery and the back of the phone, regardless, when you remove the battery, the phone will be completely turned off. So first, you need to go and take off the back of the phone, and normally you're going to see a little opening from here. It should be on the right side, exactly where the buttons for the volume and the power key. It should be on the bottom right to the corner. Just in your nail, your finger, just push down, and that should take the back of the phone out, as you guys can see, and now you can take it off so easy. Now once you take that off, you're going to see the battery is going to be located here, the SIM card, and a place to add SD card, which is normally the phone does not come with one. Now you need to remove the SIM card in case if you're replacing your old SIM card instead of the new one, in case if you don't want to call the company to have them activate the phone, you just want to swap your older SIM card. So first let me show you how you do it. Just go where the SIM card is and just in your finger push it down and then just put it out just like this. Now the SIM card has been already taken. And also let me show you how you insert the SIM card. So first you make sure the curve has to go toward the camera to the left side, and the number of the SIM card also has to face up, and then you just slide in and just push it all the way in. Then the SIM card is already inserted on the right way. Make sure the curve go to the left toward the camera and you should be good to go. Now let's just go grab the SD card. Also you have to face the SD card where it says the size of the SD card has to be on the top, and same thing, you just have to slide in. Make sure to go all the way in. Also you're gonna see some explanation how you insert the SD card. That's in case if you need more storage. Just go ahead, push it all the way in. Now the phone should read the SD card. Again, as I said, when you remove SD card, insert the SD card, I highly recommend to turn the phone completely off. Now moving back to the battery. Now the battery is going to be inserted just like this. Now what you need, go from the bottom here, and you're going to also see a little opening here where you can put your finger. Put your finger and pull out. Or maybe you can use like a plastic tool, but I'm just going to use my finger in case if you do not have any tool. Do not use anything metal because you don't want to puncture the battery. Now when you insert the battery, you make sure TCL also is going to be on the top side. And also I'm going to show you when you insert it correctly, you're going to have pins over here. And also if you look to the battery, you're going to see these pins. This is the water indicator. So when you insert, just make sure everything match up, just like this. Just like this. First you push from this side, and then from here, you just push down and up at the same time. Down and up, just like this. Now when it's nice and flat like this, that means you did it correctly. Now go ahead and bring the back of the phone, and all you have to do, push down till the back is all the way in, and make sure no gaps on the edges. That means you did it correctly. Then you can turn the phone back on, and that should do it for this video. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick 2. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will catch you in the next video.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta